Hello my dear students, I am your teacher Nadia Javed. Today I brought a complete lesson for you, letters and their sounds. Okay, we shall start from the beginning, definitely from letter A, and you will learn what is the sound of A, and then you will see how we will sing the poem of this letter. See, first, what is our first letter? A. And what is the sound of A? This is the letter alphabet, and what is the sound of A? Eh. Eh. And this is B, and what is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. When you bounce your ball, you do like this. So this is the action of the sound B. We should do the action, because with action children will remember what is the sound of B. Right? Now, this is letter C, and what is the sound of C? What is the sound of C? Sound of C is K. Sound of C is K. And this is the action of the sound K. Right? And this letter is D, and what is the sound of D? D. D. Right? So, this is D sound. This is alphabet, letter, and the sound is D. And the action of sound is this, D. Then, letter E, and this is letter E, and what is the sound of E? Sound of E is eh. Eh mean, and eh. What is the sound of E? Eh. And then we have letter F. This is letter F, and what is the sound of F? Sound of F is, we just say the sound in the ear, air. Only air will come from our mouth, right? And then, which letter is this? G. G is the letter, and what is the sound of the G? G. G mean giggling. Girls are giggling like this. G. And G, girl, right? This is letter H, and what is the sound of H? Right? Then this is letter I, and what is the sound of I? I. E. E for impy ink. E for impy ink. Then this letter is J. This alphabet is J. And what is the sound of J? The sound of J is J. J. J, jug. And when you pour the water in the glass, you will say J. Right? Which letter is this? This letter is K. K, and what is the sound of K? Sound of K is K. K mean kite. K for kite. This letter is L. After K, which letter will come? L. And what is the sound of L? Sound of L is L. L. And action is L. When you will see, this is the lamp, shape of lamp. So we will say L. Right? Sound of L is L. And then M letter will come. Which letter is this? M. Alphabet is M. And what is the sound of M? Sound of M is mmm. When we eat mango, we say yummy mangoes. Then we say mmm. Right? So, the sound of M is mmm. And then N. Letter N. What is the sound of N? Sound of N is N. We will say N in our nose. N. N, nose. The sound of N is N. Then O. What is the alphabet? O. And what is the sound of O? O. O mean O for orange. O for orange. And then after O, P. What is the letter? P. And what is the sound of P? Sound of P is P. P for Poober Peter. Poober Peter, who was the Poober Peter? Poober Peter was a dog, right? And P. Then after P, we have letter Q. Which letter is this? Q. And what is the sound of Q? Qua. Qua, qua. Qua for quarrelsome queen, right? Which was quarreling all the time. Qua. And then R. Which letter is this? R. And what is the sound of R? R. When Robber Red he took some things and he was running like this. R. Right? Sound of R is R. And then which letter will come after R? S. What is this letter? S. And what is the sound of S? Very attractive sound. See? How snakes crawl? Like this. So, sound of S is S. And then we have letter T. T. And what is the sound of T? Sound of T is T. Sound of T is T. T for tree. Very nice. T for tree. And then A. Sorry, U. Which letter is this? U. And what is the sound of U? Sound of U is a umbrella. A umbrella. How you hold umbrella? Like this, right? So a umbrella. And after U, which letter will come? V. Which letter will come? V. And what is the sound of V? What is the sound of V? V sound is V for vase of violet. Was. Was. Right? And after V, which letter will come? W. Which letter will come? W. And remember, my dear students, when you will pronounce the sound of V, you will put your lip like this under your teeth. And when you will pronounce the sound of W, and you will say wa, and you will make your face round. Make your face round like this. Wa. Right? So, what is the sound of W? Wa. Wa. Watch. Wa. Watch. And after W, we have sound, we have letter X. We have X. And what is the sound of X? Sound of X is X. Sound of X is X. And this is the action. With action, children will remember the sounds. Remember this thing. You will make your arms cross like this, and then you will do the action in front of the children, and you will say X. Right? What is the sound of X? X. Right? So after X, we have sound Y. We have a letter Y. We have letter Y. And what is the sound of Y? Sound of Y is Y. Sound of Y is Y. And children like to play with yo-yo. So you will do the action of yo-yo. You are playing yo-yo like this. This is the sound of Y. Y, 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 Y. Y, yo-yo, Y, yellow. Wow. Right? So, the last sound is Z. Last letter is Z. And what is the sound of Z? The sound of Z is, if you have a zip in your sweater or a coat, so you can zip up and do the action Z. Close your zip. Z. This is the sound of Z. And you will say zigzag like this. Z. Right? Z, zip, Z, zigzag. My dear children, these are the all letters and their sounds. I hope you like this, and remember this one thing. My dear children, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos to others. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.